Howdy freeze dryers, I'm extremely excited to bring you our new food funnel 2.0 today. And we've been working on this food funnel for a while now, and we wanted to make sure that we made everything better than the last version, but at the same price. And the main reason we were able to do that was because we designed our own funnel this time. And if you've searched for food funnels or things that you can use for freeze drying funnels or food preparation funnels, there's just really not a lot out there, especially in this price range. And the biggest concern is you can find a funnel that's this big, but this spout right here is not big enough to accommodate moving food through efficiently. And this funnel is 13 inches by 13 inches and 18 inches diagonally, which makes it plenty big for every single freeze dryer tray, including the new XL that's coming out soon. So you can see here's a large tray. There's several inches on both sides. If you go diagonal, there's even more room on both sides. And you can see we not only developed a new funnel, we developed a whole new stand that is integrated into the funnel. It's super sturdy. It's able to hold your Mylar bags. It can also fill mason jars. It can do wide mouths. It can also do the older narrow mouth jar and still have plenty of room to pass food through the top. And depending on what you are using this to fill, this will go all the way up to 17 inches, all the way down to basically 0. So you can fill pans, you can fill mason jars, you can fill all different kinds of containers. You can use this for Mylar bags or different types of food storage bags. The funnel is made of FDA approved plastic. It's extremely heavy duty. It's BPA free, also safe to go in the dishwasher. The stand can be removed from the funnel in a matter of 15 to 20 seconds, so you can clean it fully if you want to. The stand is also plated, so it'll give you a lifetime of use. It won't rust, and it's made from thick gauge steel and quality components. The thing we're most proud of, as with all of our products, they're made in the USA. This was designed in the USA. It's manufactured in the USA. You can buy the funnel by itself. You can buy the whole food funnel with the stand, or if you purchase the funnel and you change your mind later, you can also purchase the stand just by itself. This is available at www.freezedryingsupplies. I think this is going to allow freeze dryers and homesteaders and people that are canning, people that are doing food preparation and packaging. It's going to really allow you to up your game and move a whole lot of food and put it in exactly where you want it to put it instead of on your floor or on your countertop. So make sure you pick up a food funnel 2.0 if you want to take your food packaging to the next level. In the meantime, remember to live life simple. Catch you next time.